बैठ लेते हैं इसमें।
जी खुरम करीम सुब्रो साहब।
शुक्रिया जनाब स्पीकर साहब। सर मैं अंडर रूल 256 के तहत एक इम्पोर्टेंट रेजोल्यूशन लाना चाह रहा हूँ आपकी इजाजत से।
आपने मिनिस्टर साहब से बात की है? जी move the motion.
Thank you, sir. And I rise to move under Rule 256 of Rules of Procedure of the Provincial Assembly of Sindh to relax all relevant rules, and I may be allowed to move the following resolution.
Allowed.
Thank you, sir. This House expresses gratitude to Allah Ta'ala for the natural beauty and abundant resources bestowed upon our nation, and acknowledges that it would be difficult to imagine life on Earth with a spoiled natural environment. The House resolves to dedicate 2 days of a month for environmental conservation efforts. On the first Tuesday and third Sunday of every month, individuals and organizations shall participate in activities such as cleanup efforts, tree planting, and awareness campaigns to address immediate environmental concerns and cultivate a lasting culture of environmental responsibility. The initiative shall be supported by government bodies, NGOs, businesses, industries, communities, organizations,